Hey, every time I turn around, man, these bird gangs want to take over the neighborhood. I'm kind of getting sick of them taking over the neighborhood. I think one of these bird gangs is a little bit more dangerous than the other ones. I'm just letting you guys know what to expect in the streets. These bird gangs are real dangerous, buddy. This one out here with a white thing on his head, I don't trust any of them, man. He's probably the leader. You know, I think I'm being attacked. I'm getting out of here, man. It's dangerous around here.